These vehicles are known for failing to make it past the 60,000-mile mark without racking up a mountain of repair bills. From unreliable engines to sky-high maintenance costs, some cars just aren't built to last. So before you pull the trigger on that tempting deal, make sure you're not setting yourself up for disaster. Today, I am diving deep into the cars and SUVs you should avoid at all costs. But before I continue, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. It will help me to grow up. Jeep Grand Cherokee, American SUV known for its rugged looks and impressive off-road capabilities. However, while it may be perfect for adventure enthusiasts when it's new, the Grand Cherokee tends to struggle with reliability as it ages. After around 60,000 miles, a number of issues begin to surface. Owners report frequent problems with the air suspension, which can fail prematurely, resulting in expensive repairs. Additionally, the death wobble is a notorious problem for this vehicle, where the steering wheel violently shakes while driving at highway speeds. Mechanical issues with the powertrain and electrical systems are also commonly reported. The Grand Cherokee's transmission has been known to fail, and many owners have experienced difficulty with shifting or even complete breakdowns of the transmission system. In terms of engine performance, the 3.6-liter V6 and 5.7-liter V8 engines can suffer from oil leaks and excessive oil consumption, adding to the overall maintenance cost. This vehicle, despite its initial appeal as a capable and stylish SUV, can turn into a financial headache after crossing the 60,000-mile threshold. With a combination of costly repairs, frequent mechanical issues, and an unreliable suspension system, the Jeep Grand Cherokee becomes less and less practical as it ages, making it a vehicle you might want to avoid for long-term ownership. Land Rover Range Rover. Luxurious design and exceptional off-road performance. It's a car that attracts buyers seeking a premium driving experience combined with rugged capability. Unfortunately, the Range Rover's reputation for long-term reliability is less than stellar. After about 60,000 miles, numerous problems can begin to emerge. One of the most common issues is with the air suspension system, which is prone to failure. Since the suspension system is expensive to replace, it can quickly drive up the cost of ownership. Additionally, electrical problems are widespread in older Range Rovers. Many owners report issues with the vehicle's complex electrical systems, including malfunctioning sensors and faulty wiring, that can affect everything from the brakes to the climate control system. The Range Rover's luxury features are fantastic when they work, but when they break, the repairs are often costly and difficult to fix. The engine and transmission can also suffer from wear and tear over time, leading to expensive repairs. While the Range Rover may look appealing, its long-term durability is questionable. If you plan to own a Range Rover, expect hefty bills for maintenance and repairs once you hit the 60,000-mile mark, making it a car that's hard to recommend if you're seeking a reliable, budget-friendly option. Ford Explorer. Known for its spacious interior, safety features, and decent towing capabilities. But once you pass the 60,000-mile mark, you may encounter significant issues that could make this SUV less appealing. The biggest problem with the Explorer lies within its transmission. Many owners have reported the transmission slipping, jerking, or even completely failing as early as 60,000 miles. Transmission repairs can be expensive, and in some cases, replacing the transmission altogether might be necessary. In addition to transmission problems, the Explorer is prone to suspension issues. The rear suspension components in particular can wear out quickly, leading to poor ride quality and costly repairs. The steering system may also experience problems such as difficulty turning or steering fluid leaks, which could lead to even more expensive repairs down the line. While the Ford Explorer offers a lot of great features, the combination of transmission and suspension problems can make it a poor investment for anyone looking to keep a car long-term. If you plan to buy the Explorer, be prepared for the possibility of frequent trips to the mechanic, especially once the vehicle crosses the 60,000-mile threshold. Chevrolet Traverse. Popular three-row SUV that offers plenty of space and a smooth ride. However, after hitting the 60,000-mile mark, several issues begin to crop up that can lead to costly repairs. One of the major complaints about the Traverse is its transmission. Many owners have reported that the transmission starts to slip, which can make shifting gears rough and eventually lead to complete failure. Transmission replacements are some of the most expensive repairs you can face, and unfortunately, the Traverse's transmission seems prone to early breakdowns. Another issue commonly found in the Chevrolet Traverse after 60,000 miles is engine cooling problems. The cooling system components, such as the radiator and water pump, can fail, leading to potential overheating and engine damage. Replacing these parts can quickly become expensive and leave you with a car that's much more costly to maintain than it should be. The electrical system is another weak point in the Traverse, with owners reporting problems with sensors and the vehicle's computer system, which can result in various warning lights appearing on the dashboard. The combination of transmission, cooling, and electrical system failures can cause the Traverse to become more of a burden than a reliable family vehicle. Toyota Highlander, one of the more reliable SUVs in its class with a reputation for longevity. However, not all models are immune to issues. While the Highlander is generally reliable up to 60,000 miles, certain older models, especially those manufactured before 2015, have been known to experience transmission problems. Around this mileage, the transmission can start to slip or shift roughly, which may result in costly repairs or even the need for a replacement. Another issue with the Toyota Highlander is engine oil consumption. Some models have developed a tendency to burn through oil faster than expected. This can lead to engine damage if left unchecked, and topping off the oil frequently is just a temporary fix that doesn't address the underlying issue. The high cost of oil consumption repairs, especially if the engine is severely damaged, can make the Highlander a less desirable option for long-term ownership. While the Toyota Highlander is often praised for its overall reliability, it's important to be aware of these issues as the miles add up. If you plan to buy a used Highlander, be sure to check its service history and ensure that any problems with oil consumption or transmission issues have been addressed. Honda Pilot. Known for its spacious interior, smooth driving experience, and solid reputation for reliability. However, once it reaches 60,000 miles, the Pilot starts to show signs of wear that could become problematic. One of the most common complaints about the Pilot is the transmission, which is prone to failure as it ages. Many owners report transmission slipping, rough shifting, and even complete breakdowns after the vehicle hits around 60,000 miles. Replacing the transmission can be a costly repair, often reaching several $1,000s. In addition to transmission issues, the Honda Pilot suspension and drivetrain can experience wear and tear. Problems with the drivetrain, such as power loss or engine misfires, can lead to costly repairs that may need to be addressed more than once throughout the vehicle's lifespan. The Pilot suspension, particularly the shocks and struts, may also require replacement after 60,000 miles, which can result in a less comfortable ride and additional repair costs. Although the Pilot is a generally well-regarded vehicle, these issues, especially with the transmission and drivetrain, can make it a less reliable choice for long-term ownership. It's important to weigh the pros and cons of buying a used Pilot and make sure you're prepared for the potential repairs ahead. BMW X5, luxury SUV that combines power, luxury, and performance. However, despite its upscale image, the X5 can become an expensive maintenance nightmare after hitting the 60,000-mile mark. One of the biggest concerns with the X5 is the engine. The turbocharged engines in these vehicles are known to experience issues such as oil leaks, faulty fuel injectors, and overheating. These issues can require costly repairs and replacement parts, which are often expensive due to the luxury nature of the vehicle. Additionally, the X5's air suspension system has been known to fail prematurely. Replacing the air suspension components can cost thousands of dollars, and it's a problem that many owners encounter as the vehicle ages. The vehicle's electrical systems are also prone to malfunctions. Everything from the sensors to the infotainment system can suffer from failures. And because the X5 is a high-end vehicle, repairs for electrical issues can be costly. Overall, while the BMW X5 offers exceptional driving dynamics and luxurious features, its long-term maintenance costs are something you'll want to consider before purchasing one. Audi Q7, SUV that offers smooth ride, high-quality interiors, and great performance. However, after 60,000 miles, the Q7 tends to experience significant issues, particularly with its suspension and air system. The air suspension system, in particular, is a common point of failure, leading to costly repairs. Suspension issues can also affect the overall driving experience, making it less comfortable and less enjoyable to drive. The Q7's transmission and engine have also been reported to experience problems over time. Owners have noted issues with shifting, slipping, and rough acceleration. These mechanical issues often require expensive fixes or even complete system overhauls, which can quickly drain your wallet. The Q7's luxurious features, like its advanced electrical systems and infotainment tech, can also become problematic as they age. Many owners report that these systems start malfunctioning around the 60,000-mile mark, adding more to the cost of maintaining the vehicle. Overall, while the Audi Q7 is a high-performing luxury SUV, the cost of ownership can quickly escalate as the vehicle ages. Hyundai Santa Fe. This SUV has earned a solid reputation for offering great value, ample interior space, and a range of safety features. However, once the odometer crosses the 60,000-mile mark, several issues may start cropping up, making the vehicle more prone to expensive repairs. One common issue is the transmission, with some owners reporting problems with rough shifting and slipping. While the Hyundai Santa Fe generally enjoys a reputation for solid engineering, transmission issues can still be a major headache after 60,000 miles. Another issue with the Santa Fe, particularly in the earlier models, is with the electrical system. The vehicle's sensors and components that control various systems can malfunction, leading to warning lights or problems with the infotainment and climate control systems. These electrical problems may be difficult and costly to fix, especially as the vehicle ages. Additionally, the suspension components in the Santa Fe tend to wear out relatively quickly. After 60,000 miles, the shocks and struts might need replacing, leading to a less comfortable driving experience. While these repairs are generally not as expensive as transmission issues, they can still add up. In terms of engine problems, some owners have reported that the Santa Fe's engine may consume oil at an alarming rate after extended use, which can lead to serious engine damage if not addressed promptly. If you don't stay on top of regular oil changes and maintenance, the engine could be compromised. Despite these issues, the Hyundai Santa Fe remains a relatively affordable option. But if you're planning on keeping it for the long haul, be prepared for some of these common problems to appear after 60,000 miles, potentially draining your wallet with unexpected repairs. Mazda CX-9, midsize SUV known for its stylish design, enjoyable driving dynamics, and spacious interior. However, after 60,000 miles, it can become a vehicle with notable reliability concerns. One of the most commonly reported problems with the CX-9 is its transmission. Several owners have experienced rough shifting, slipping, and in more extreme cases, complete transmission failure. Replacing the transmission can be one of the most expensive repairs, and this issue tends to arise as the vehicle ages. In addition to transmission issues, the CX-9's engine can be a source of concern. Some owners have noticed excessive oil consumption, which can eventually lead to engine damage. If the issue is not promptly addressed, it could result in significant repair costs. The engine's turbocharged design, while providing plenty of power, can sometimes create added stress and wear, making it less durable in the long run. Another problem that tends to emerge after 60,000 miles is with the suspension system. The shocks and struts can wear out, which compromises the ride quality and handling. While replacing these parts is generally not as expensive as transmission repairs, the cost can still add up over time. The electrical systems in the CX-9 have also been known to malfunction. Issues with the infotainment system, power windows, and other electronic components can become increasingly frequent as the vehicle ages. These issues often require costly repairs or replacements. While the Mazda CX-9 remains a well-regarded SUV for its performance and overall quality, it's crucial to be aware of the potential issues that may arise after 60,000 miles, making it less of a dependable long-term investment. When it comes to buying a car, it's essential to think long-term. Don't just look at the initial purchase price, factor in the cost of ownership over time. The cars we've discussed today might look great now, but they'll likely drain your wallet in the years to come. So do your research and avoid these problematic vehicles at all costs. Your wallet and your sanity will thank you.